Welcome to Dreamquester. So today what we will see actual implementation. Okay, how we are going to take input and how we will do the like small operations on the array. Okay, so you guys will get familiar with it. I'll get you know how these things exactly going to happen. Okay, so let's suppose this is the array. Okay, what we have to do, we have to just take these 5 numbers. We need to make the array. We need to take these 5 elements in the array, then we will print these 5 elements from the array. Okay, so let's assume this is the array and this is what our input should look like: 1 2 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, this is the indexing part. So I represent array from 0 index to n minus 1 index, so you can refer from 1 to n index also. It is totally depends on you how you are initializing it. Okay, I will prefer it from 0 itself. Okay, then we will use loop to take input for the array. Okay, so I have declared one for loop here. You can say I starting from 0. Okay, it means this 0. Okay, from this 0 to array size. Okay, actually it is n minus 1. Why? Because we are not making this sign less than equals to. Okay, so I should be less than equals it is not like that, right? So it is I is less than array of size 1, so it will execute till this only. Okay, so let's suppose array size is 5, so it is I should be less than 5. If I becomes 5, so 5 is less than 5 is true. No, right, it is false. So it will break the loop here, so it will only execute till 4 for the index. Okay, so this is the condition. I personally do code in C++, that's why I use this particular syntax. Okay, but overall you can say the only small things will change in other languages, or most of the part will be same. Okay, so say in array of I, so array of I, what for the first time array of 0. So for array of 0 we are taking input. So let's suppose for array of 0 we are taking 1. Then again what will happen, I plus plus will happen, it will go to 1, I becomes 1. So we will take input for 1, that will be 2. Then again this I plus plus happen, again we will come here, it will ask for input for array I of 3. Why? Because we did I plus plus, so it will we did I plus plus, so it will become 2, so it will be 3 as an input. Okay, again I index will be 4 after I plus plus, then we will come here again. Okay, then okay, yeah, basically there is also the thing I plus plus will happen after the loop executes. Okay, so let's suppose first input we have took for the 0th index, then this line completes, right? So loop completed, after that this I plus plus will happen, then again your I will become 1. Okay, like this we will take all the inputs. Okay, then what happened, as we have took all the inputs, I will become lastly 5. It will check the condition, is 5 less than size, that means 5 is less than 5. No, right? So loop will break, we will came out of the loop. Now I want you to write the code for printing this array elements. Okay, if you are able to do it, it's fine, like all good. Like this is just the refreshment video. Okay, so for same condition, for loop, same syntax, everything will be same, only line is changing. What here we are taking the input, here we are printing the output. This is the only line which are making the difference. Otherwise you can see this and this, both the for loops have same syntax, even same everything is same, right? So what we are doing, we are printing array of I, we are giving one space in between, so it will print 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, like this. Okay, we can do like this. Okay, so this will be for one dimensional array. As you know, there are two types, one dimensional and multi-dimensional, you can see, but most of the cases it will be 2-dimensional for us, because most of the problems have this 2D problems. Okay, so let's suppose they have given us I equals to row and j will be your column. Okay, so we will try to write the code for this now. Okay, I'm just learning like you guys, so let me know in the comments if I'm doing any mistakes while explaining. I'm happy to learn and grow. Okay, so let's assume this is I and this is j. They have given us, for example, for row, let's suppose we are taking 3. Just for this example we will take the input, okay. Then our column will be what, 3. So 3 by 3 matrix they have given to us, okay. Now I know size, what will be the size of the row, what will be the size of the column, okay. So I need to design the input code now. So this will be our input code. What it will be? Our input code, okay. Let's suppose we do it like this. We will initialize simple for loop, okay. I equals to 0, okay. Let's assume this will be your what, integer, and this will be also your integer, okay. That's why I'm making it more like an algorithm rather than one code. Your I should be less than what, row. What I said, first outer column will always will be row only, okay. You can do vice versa also, you can take column also, but it is preferred you should always go with the rows only, okay. Whenever you're writing, your row should be constant for the entire time input for the column, okay. It should stay same, okay. After that, let's suppose this is your for loop for your row. Now I said your row should be same, means this part should be same, only this section will change, first this, then this, then this. Got that one, got this one, right? So for this we will write code inside this for loop, so it will be nested for loop, okay. Let's suppose I like code like this. It will be j now because we are representing column as a j, okay. J equals to also 0. It will start, j should be less than column size, whatever it will be. In this case we have it as in 3, okay, just for an example, okay. Now how we will take the input actually, okay. So input wala part, let's suppose it will be something like this, C in, okay. It will be array of what, your I will be first, because row will be constant, then your j will be continuously changing, okay. So we will take input like this. Let's suppose I'll give you the example. This is your matrix, okay. So your I will be same and your j will be continuously changing, means this, then this, then this, like this. We will take the input, okay. Then okay, complete. This is it, okay. This is representing, I is representing row and this is representing column, okay. Till now you have any doubts? Okay, we'll iterate this one also, so it will be better for you to understand it. Okay, we will make an actual matrix to take an input. My bad. 0 1 2 0 1 2, okay. This will be your columns, this will be your row, okay. Let's go. We came here, okay. For loop I will be 0, so now I will be 0, okay. Now we have gone inside this one, our j will be 0, so our j will be 0. I pointing here, j pointing here, so now we are taking input for this one, okay. So what will be the input? Let's we are taking it like this, 7, okay. So I inserted 7 here, okay. Then again my what happened, my j got j plus plus, okay. Again I came here, okay. Again I check it less than this, yeah, condition satisfied. I came in between this for loop curly braces, okay. Now this line will get executed, okay, this line, and I'll like my I will be again same 0, so it will be same 0, and my j will change, it went from 0 to 1. So now I'm pointing here to this particular index, okay. So I'll take the input, what it will be 8, okay. I'm taking input as an 8. Again my j plus plus happens, it is becoming 2 now, 0 1 2, okay. 2 is there, so what will happen, I'm again I again come here, I came here, then again I what, j I is 0, j is 2, so 0 2 0 2, it means this one. Okay, then I have inserted 9 here. Okay, then again like this I go. Okay, if you want, what happened now, I j plus plus happened. Okay, after this j plus plus happened, j becomes 3. I, again it came here, j is less than column, so column is 3, j become 3, j is less than 3 means 3 is less than 3. It is true, it is not true. Okay, so this loop breaks. I came out of this loop, and again, why? Because this one loop is completed for I. Okay, for this outer loop. So what I plus plus will happen, again we came here, j is equals to, j will be 0. Again it is starting from the scratch. Your j is less than column, yes, j plus plus, yes. Okay, it will happen after the loop. Okay, means every condition will get satisfied. Why? Because we have started from the scratch itself. Okay, again came here. Now I is what? 1. I will be 1 for the entire calculations of the inner loop. Okay, so we came here. Okay, we came here, I will be 1, j will be 0, so it will be this index. Okay, so it will be 3, then again j will be plus plus, then again we will come here. Okay, I will be 1, j will be 1, so it will be here. Okay, then again we will same thing like this, j will be plus plus, it will become 2. Okay, then it will be here and here, so it will be this index, so it will be 2, something like this. I'll take the input. I think you guys have known what I'm trying to say you. Okay, 36 here we have to. Now what we will do, we will, oh sorry, my bad, what we will do, we will try to print this particular matrix. Okay, we have taken the input, we will write the code for output. Okay, what will be our output? Our output will be like this. Okay, so same like code will be also the same. Int I equals to 0, I should be less than rows. Okay, then I will be plus plus, this will be our outer for loop. Then again our inner for loop will be int, as I said you, j equals to 0, then it will be j less than column. Okay, and j plus plus. Okay, there will be only one line we are printing. Okay, let's suppose if you guys want something like this, output should be shown like exactly like this in their terminal, then that will also I tell you how we are going to do it. Okay, let's this will be cout. Okay, then this will be what? Array of I will be same, then j. This is the representation, how we are going to input and how we are printing the in every index. Okay, so done. But there is a small mistake in here. If you can able to find it out, you know, if you want output like this, you will came to know what the say something is missing. Okay, and what that is, let me know in the comments if you guys already know. Otherwise I will tell you what is that. Let's suppose I have tried to print this one. Okay, I go here, 0 will be constant, I'll be pointing here, then I'll go inside the loop and j will be initializing from 0, then 1, then 2. Means what we have print till now, let's suppose we're starting and we have printed okay, let's just assume something like this. It's 7, 8, 9. But now what happened is nothing we did. Okay, output will be like let's suppose this particular loop completes. Okay, let me get the laser one. Okay, this loop completed. Now what happened, we have again came here, I plus plus happened. Okay, again we have gone here, j0. Okay, then and I will be 1 and j will be 0, so 3 will be printed. But where? After giving this there is okay, it will not print it like this, it will be like 7, 8 and 9. Okay, if you want space in between, you will write it as like this. Okay, and then your column will be coming here. Okay, like this, something like this. But if you want after this like if you wanted to 3 to printed below, okay, means 7, 8, 9. After that, when this new loop will start, it will print 3 here only. If you wanted to print below, what you need to do, you simply need to write cout something like this, okay, /n. Okay, by this it will print all the elements like this. Okay, I hope you guys have understand what I try to tell. Okay, let me know if you have any doubts. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.